Unveiling the future of photography, the 5K digital camera. In today's fast-paced world where every moment counts and memories are cherished, having a reliable camera by your side is essential. Enter the 5K digital camera, a revolutionary device that redefines the art of photography and vlogging. With its cutting-edge features, including a 48MP autofocus lens, viewfinder and dual camera setup, 16x digital zoom, and compact travel design bundled with a 32GB SD card and 2 batteries, this camera is set to elevate your creative pursuits to new heights. Capture every detail with 48MP autofocus. At the heart of the 5K digital camera lies its powerful 48MP autofocus lens. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, candid portraits, or action-packed moments, this high-resolution lens ensures that every detail is crystal clear. Say goodbye to blurry shots and hello to professional-quality images that leave a lasting impression. Seamless framing with viewfinder and dual camera. Framing your shots has never been easier thanks to the viewfinder and dual camera setup. With the viewfinder, you can preview your composition in real time, ensuring that you capture the perfect shot every time. Additionally, the dual camera system allows for versatile shooting angles, giving you the flexibility to unleash your creativity and explore new perspectives. Zoom in on the action with 16x digital zoom. From distant landmarks to close-up portraits, the 16x digital zoom feature lets you get up close and personal with your subjects without compromising image quality. Whether you're documenting wildlife in its natural habitat or capturing the excitement of a live event, this zoom capability ensures that you never miss a moment, no matter how far away. Ready for any adventure with compact travel design. Designed with the adventurous photographer in mind, the 5K digital camera combines power and portability in a sleek and compact package. Whether you're exploring bustling city streets or embarking on a wilderness expedition, this camera is your perfect travel companion. And with the included 32GB SD card and 2 batteries, you'll have ample storage and power to document your journey from start to finish. Unlock your creative potential. With the 5K digital camera, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're an aspiring photographer looking to hone your skills, or a seasoned vlogger ready to share your adventures with the world, this camera empowers you to unleash your creativity and capture moments that will be cherished for a lifetime. Conclusion. In a world where memories fade but photographs endure, the 5K digital camera stands as a beacon of innovation and reliability. With its advanced features, compact design, and unmatched versatility, this camera is poised to revolutionize the way we capture and share our most precious moments. So why settle for anything less? Step into the future of photography with the 5K digital camera and unlock a world of endless possibilities.